Hi guys. For today's lesson, we're going to be dealing with some percentage change stuff. Okay, so a few words to remember that I'm sure you probably heard before, but let's just get some definitions for these set. So first one is profit. Profit's just pretty much it's just the difference between the buying and selling price of an item. But profit is the term used when your selling price is higher than your buying price. Yeah, so don't forget that, guys. Don't get these two mixed around. You always want the difference between these numbers, but make sure your selling price is higher for a profit. If you make a loss, it's exactly the same thing, the difference between the buying and selling price. However, you make a loss when your buying price is higher than your selling price. So just a few, the idea is these two things are very similar. It's just when the difference is when buying and buying sells. It depends which one's higher. Okay, so percentage change. This is the main formula or concept that I need you guys to understand this lesson. So it's the percentage at which something changes in value. So we're dealing with something being changed, and we got to figure out by what percentage did something change. Okay, so there's a formula here that we need to remember. Percentage change is equal to the change in value of something over the original value. It's really important to remember it's all about that original value on the bottom. And then we multiply by 100, because remember that's how we pretty much make a percentage out of a fraction. We times a fraction by 100. Okay, so e.g., if 50 bucks changes to $55, the percentage change is 10%. And the reason it's 10% is because the change here from that to that is just $5. And over the original, which is our 50 bucks, was our original value. And we multiply this fraction here by 100, and that equals 10%. So that is the percentage change. Think about it. What is 10% of $50? 10% of 50 bucks is only $5, and that is exactly how much it changes by. So that's the idea. Okay, so a few example questions. So determine the percentage. Sorry, that should be percentage change. Let me fix that up. So if I grab that, move that across. So percentage change for the following situations. So $500 changes to $475. So we've pretty much been kind of discounted by like 25 bucks, pretty much. That's how much it's gone down by. So let's see what we have to do to find the percentage change. Well, first up, we want to figure out what this percentage change, what this change in value is. So that's $500. Take away your $475. So it changed by 25 bucks. And also, what is the original value? Well, the original value is just this original 500 bucks. So yeah, that was a pretty quick, easy one to do. So therefore, when we have this number and this number, we have enough to use our formula for percentage change. So we think the change was 25 bucks and the original was our 500, and we times by 100. And when we put that into a calculator, it comes out as 5. So that's going to be 5% is our percentage change. As simple as that. There really is not much to this formula, guys. Really important. You just find the change and the original value, and you have enough to use it. And then just one more example. So 12 kilograms changes to 50 kilograms. Well, I think to myself, the change in value is just going to be the difference between these numbers. So 50 take away 12, that equals 38. That's the change. And the original value is this 12 kilos. So the original value is 12. And so therefore we can go to our formula. The change was 38. The original was 12. And we times by 100. And we get our answer of 316.6 repeater. Remember, if the 6 is repeating, you've got to put the dot above it, percent. So pretty straightforward. Good luck with the questions.